Alright, so it's day 29. Wow, second to the last day of our challenge. So today we are doing decimal digits to word in Python. So how do you mean by decimal digit to word? Just write a program that you get the decimal number, and now from decimal number you convert it to word. So when you enter 7, you are getting 7 in words. So yeah, that is what we are doing. So pause this video and give it a try. Alright, so what's the approach to it? How do you do it? So alright, so if we have to solve this kind of problem, we have to map the digit to words. So whether we use a list or use a dictionary, let me know when you give it a try which one did you use. So I'm going to use digit to words now as a list, and I'm going to start with 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5. So we have 5 here, and we have 6, we have 7. So we have 7 right here. We have 8. Then we have 9. Alright. So we can just go ahead and say D is equals to now input, enter a decimal digit. Then let us say 0 to 9. So here I want to confirm this is between 0 to 9. If this is between D and less than equals to 9, we just want to go ahead and print out the digit words, then using D as the index. Then otherwise, what we want to do is we just say invalid input. So we just want to give this a run now. So if I should enter something like 0 now, yes, I got my 0 quite on time. 9, right? So now we've created a mapping. You can use a dictionary tool. But let's say now I want to enter something that is more than that. You get. So, but let's say I want to translate each digit of this letter itself. So what am I going to do to that? So what I can do actually is I can leave this way, and instead I can split this. Meaning this as S. Okay, I'll just go ahead and comment this out first. So I can split this. So right here, if I split this now, what I can do now is for D in S, I have like words here. So empty list. And now for D in S, I want to append these words. Right? I want to append these words, and I want to say digit words int D. Then I can just come at the end now, print out dot join what. Alright, so let's just run this and see. And now if I enter 4.5, I'm getting 4.5 out there. Alright, so I have to make sure it is spaced. But what if I did not space it? So I'll just try to use strip right here. Okay, let's run this again. Four, 5. Right. So I'm getting it 4.5 the way it is. Alright. As you all know now, we can use a one-liner for this line here. And that will just be all doing this way. Okay. So we have our word. Let's copy this, put it here. Then we have our for loop. Then what we are returning into the list of this for loop. So we don't need to say what dot append. All we just need is this. Yeah. So this check is still give us the same result. So 6767. Alright. So that is how we can do that in Python. So this is day 29 challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code Retro. So I'm going to see you in the last challenge for this playlist. Bye bye.